Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. I've just been laughing there reading John Brunette's comments before the show started in the live chat. He says he's been here for a while waiting. He said, I've got to wait 25 minutes. Well, yeah, we go live at this time. You have to wait if you come early. And he says, hi, Martyn, the man himself, only 7 minutes to go. And then he said, I bet Martyn's crew is busy booting up the studio. I don't think so, mate. It's all me. It's all me here on my own doing absolutely everything, which, you know, is quite a feat if you saw how this studio is put together. It's quite a thing, but no, it's all me. But thank you very much for pretending that there's a whole crew here. That's absolutely great. And the taps have gone. If I tap the screen now, look, there's no taps on the sound. You can't hear any of that, right? All good. Fantastic, good stuff. All right, here we go. So let's get into the show. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell if you're over there on YouTube. We hope you enjoy the show. And also, once you've clicked subscribe and ring the bell, click the thumbs up. We go live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. Yes, we do. It's what we do here, and we share our own trades, real trades, live with you every day. Everything you see here is real. Everything is live. And if you want to experience the full thing, come over here on YouTube. You could be watching me in a million places right now. The links are everywhere, but the best place is for YouTube. If you join me on YouTube, then you will get the benefit of seeing my trades, which are right on the screen right now. There is Ampudu, who was here earlier. Hiya, Ampudu. And Leah's just said hello as well. Hello, Leah. How are you? Thank you very much indeed. Welcome to the show, everybody. Click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a great big thumbs up. We've got 9 likes already. This is good. The record is 18. So we'd like to get up to 18 if we can. All right, so that would be wonderful if you could help us today. We're on 9. This is good. We're upwards. We're going. Here we go. All right. What a day on the stock market it's been today. Let me show everybody. Oh, by the way, Mr. Love hasn't come out for a while. If you give us a thumbs up, Mr. Love says thank you very much every time we get a thumbs up. All right. Today we were at 51 and 51.2. We've dropped quite a bit throughout the day. It's been a rocky day today. As you know, my biggest play ever happened this morning. I sold all my Carnival shares. $9,000 in one swoop was the biggest trade I've ever done. Was it the right thing to do? Let's have a look at Carnival. Let's have a look at Carnival right now. If I go to my main portfolio, scroll to the bottom, it's things I've been looking at. Open in a new tab. Let's have a look. This is Carnival. Was it the right thing to do? You should never do this. You should never look. And yes, it was the right thing to do. As you can see, it's down nearly 3% today. Now, if you remember, my average was 22.87. We're getting very, very close to my buying in average. So I made about nearly $500, $480 this morning, and I've been waiting for it to drop. But as I've been waiting for it to drop, I've been buying in on other things, and I virtually spent all that money. I've still got in my buying power $206, but I've basically spent everything else. Can you believe it? Everything else has been spent today, and it's continued to drop, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. So what did I buy in this morning? I bought some more Amazon. I've now got just over half a share of Amazon now. Good morning, Cram. Good afternoon, Cram. Welcome to the Day Trader Show, live here every morning and evening. Main trades are all on YouTube. If you click the profile, it'll take you to my YouTube show. All right. Okay, Amazon. And I want to thank everyone, by the way, for all their tips. You see in the live chat, can you see that? Oh, no, not on here you can't, but over there on TikTok, people were giving me diamonds this morning, which is very, very nice. We appreciate that. Very nice of you. Johnson & Johnson down today, 0.25%. Let's have a look. Tesla is down 1.53%. Still up 2% on that one, but I bought more shares today. I've now got 5 shares in Tesla, which is great. I only had 2. So I've got 5 now. Facebook is down today. It's taken quite a hit today as well. Apple is down today as well. So there we go with Apple. It's been a bit of a down day. And Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is also down today as well. All right, let's have a look at Vanguard Etf. This is one I've just recently got in. I only have 5 shares of this, but it has a 1.18 yield, so not bad at all, and it follows the total market. And the total market over time is always up, so it's good to be in something like that. Google, of course, you've got to be in Google. One of those shares, never to sell. Down slightly, 0.37 today. And then we've got Virgin Galactic today, which had a recovery, but down 3%. So I'm glad I didn't sell. Obviously, I'm not going to sell until it's 40. I'm about to sneeze. Excuse me, everybody. Oh, blimey. It catches you right in the middle, doesn't it? Live on air. There we go. That's real. Virgin Galactic. That's pretty cool. We knew it'd be down. It's going to bounce up again in the next week or so when the next test flight happens. But there we go. Ford Motor Company is still going down. I want to get out of this when it hits 18. My average cost is 14. I'm down 10% with Ford. But of course, we're hoping to get the dividends in January. Rolls-Royce down today 2%, even though I'm up 16.5. It's Rolls-Royce is doing fine. Riskified has been hovering around 0 today. Not much going on with Riskified. I can't sell it if I would be in trouble with Robinhood. My 30-day average, my 30-day IPO flipping rule would come into play. So I've got to be careful with that. All right. Can everyone tell me how they are in the live chat? How's your day been? What you been up to? Let's get a bit of a chat going. Lucid Group is down 1.65% today. Oxygen is also down. As you can see, the whole market is pretty much down. Harpoon Therapeutics up slightly, but I've got a long way to go before I can exit this one. Advaxis has been moving up. It's been moving up all week, actually. Look, we're up 19% this week. So as you can see, I'm up nearly 5% now. We've got 10 likes now, which means the crowd's all here. Thank you very much indeed. Oh, Bill is here. Too hot here, 34 degrees. Up there in Canada, it's hot. There we go. It's pretty hot down here in Texas too, from the north to the south. How are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. Thank you. I wanted to thank you as well from Toronto. I wanted to thank you very much for the diamond tips. If you're over there on TikTok, they can give you tips like little diamonds. And don't forget to get the crowd in. If you want to support me, tap the screen on TikTok, and the more you tap and like, the more people get to see the video. That's how it works. Or that's why I've been tapping it. Pfizer pretty flat today. I came into the market, I'm down 1%. Bitcoin, as you can see, has been down 2%. It's a down day today. It's part of it. It's part of the market. We all get used to days like this. Even though I'm down, I've improved my position today by selling out of Carnival. I made nearly $500. So basically, I got $500 worth of shares for free because I reinvested that money, right? So I got virtually, imagine Tesla was $500, it was 700, right? But that's like getting a free stock of Tesla. That's what I've done. By selling out, that's what I've done. Don't forget, at the end of the year, any profits that you make, you will be subject to capital gains as well. So if you make a profit, you pay tax on that profit, which is fair enough. It's an income, right? You may be a full-time day trader, and that's how you live. So you got to expect to earn pay taxes on that. Right, let's see where we start the show. We start the show at 857 subscribers. Let's see how we end. Let's see where we are right now. 857. Let's have a little look. Let's see where we end up today's show. I know it's right at the beginning. 857. So there we are. That's where we are right now. And let's see how we end the show. All right? It'd be pretty cool to see. Okay, we've got some news here. Bitcoin whales jump back into market as crypto prices recover. Okay, here we go. Let's hear about this. You heard about the whales. They do really make a difference with Bitcoin. They sell big, they buy big. And let's get this poor lady unpaused because she's got a bad face. Let's hear it. Let's listen in.
Bullish behavior out of those Bitcoin whales, as we call them. That's the term for an investor holding more than 1,000 Bitcoin, or at least 1,000 Bitcoin. That's just under $50 million worth at this week's prices. We've got some new data from blockchain firm Chainalysis, showing that they are getting back into the markets as those crypto prices recover. Since about late July, those bigger investors have steadily increased their holdings. That ticked up even higher.
That's it, you see. Bitcoin has been down today, so let's have a look at it. In the last hour, it's flat, but today it's down 2%. So if you wanted to get into Bitcoin now, there's a little opportunity for you here to get into Bitcoin. If you wanted to get yourself a little bit of Bitcoin now, 47, it's about to go up. It's about to go up. Let me have a look at that. Nearly $1,000 is nearly 2%. So if we go 47 and it goes back to 50, that's 3 times 2. So that's 6%. So I've got $200. $200 would be $6, $12. I'll make $12 on my $200 investment if I buy that today within probably a week. That's probably where that will be. Just to break that down and give you some sort of context to that, I only have two up today, PFE and VIXY. You only have two. What do you only have two of? VIXY never hit my buyback in, but point to hedge against the market drop. So I am down today 2.6. Down today 2.6. Let me have a look at mine. My day of portfolio as I'm down 1.50. So I'm ahead of Martyn right now. Let's see if I'm ahead of John. By the way, I haven't forgotten you, Bill. Straight after today's music show, I will send you the link for those free stocks. I want you to get some free money, and I'll send it to you. Please remind me during the music show, if you come to that, say, Martyn, you're going to send me a link so I can get some free stocks. I'm going to do that right after the music show today. Let's go back to this news story about the whales. Am I a whale? Not really. Not with 0.01 of a Bitcoin. You need a million. You need $1 million, a million Bitcoin, whatever it is. So that's not me.
Into August. It continued this week as Bitcoin crossed that $50,000 mark. They did start out as strong buyers to kick off the year, if you take a look at January there, but whales took a step back as prices briefly dropped in March, and then take a look at April. That is the bottom there in the chart, which coincided with Bitcoin's peak around $60,000. So they sold there at the top, and Bitcoin later crashed down to about $30,000 in the months that followed. That whale activity has been linked to price action this year, especially the 28-day moving average. Chainalysis chief economist tells me this investor group has been a, quote, driving force in the crypto market. Chainalysis found that as those bigger investors acquire more digital assets, prices typically rise over 28 days, and when they sell, vice versa, the prices tend to fall. Bitcoin did hit a 3-month high this week, continuing that steady climb since mid-July. It's trading near $48,000, just under $49,000 today.
It's a great
Shepard Smith here.
Great time to get back into the market. If you are looking to get into Bitcoin right now, it's a good time if you've not done it already. I mean, obviously, you can't go back in time. You can never say, oh, I wish I bought Bitcoin. I mean, at the end of the day, my average cost is 33,000. So I'm up 40% on my Bitcoin right now, which is great. I could sell all this Bitcoin and make myself $2,500. But I took some profits the other day. I don't want to reduce my position anymore because I don't see Bitcoin going any lower anytime soon. So that would be pretty daft if I believe that, which I do. So I've no intention of doing that. All right, so let's have a look at this. Awful news today. I'll be totally honest and as we are here, honest and transparent. I've had tears in my eyes today. I've been very, very upset about what's going on in Afghanistan. It's awful, awful, awful. It's probably the worst news stories I've ever seen. I mean, it's right up there with any humanitarian disaster, any war situation that's ever existed. It really is terrible. Remember, it's not about numbers. We know the Holocaust was more people, but same sort of stuff that's going on, and the fear. Awful, awful. Larry Lorenzo, how are you? Thank you for joining me. We're live on the Day Trader. We're trading live with our stocks and shares. We're now covering the news. If you want to see the trading screens, click on the profile here on TikTok and you'll take you to YouTube and you will see my trading screens either side of this phone broadcast. Okay, let's hear the news from Kabul. this affects all kinds of business. I know we're a business channel, we're a money channel, so it does reflect on that as well. So let's have a little look into this.
18 minutes past the hour, and breaking news now on CNBC. I'm Shepard Smith at Global Headquarters. This just in from the Pentagon. We can confirm that a number of U.S. service members were killed in today's complex attack on the Kabul airport. Quoting from John Kirby at the Pentagon now, a number of others are being treated for wounds. We also know that a number of Afghans fell victim to this heinous attack. He finishes, our thoughts and prayers go out to the loved ones and teammates of all those killed and injured. So as you might imagine, the situation in Kabul has just taken a new and devastating turn. American service members have been killed. We don't know how many in a coordinated attack that happened this morning just outside a gate there at the Kabul airport and outside a hotel that's about 1,000 meters away.
This is absolutely tragic news. Awful today, but obviously we got to keep on the line of we are a business channel, and there's a big story with Afghanistan right now. It's the biggest place on Earth for lithium, of course, and that's where all the raw components of batteries. So there's a huge business going to come into Afghanistan. Now, I believe I heard a report earlier from Kenneth Brunk, who we've missed the last 2 days, who's always sending me news. He found out that information that the Chinese have now bought into done a deal with Afghanistan government for the lithium. So that's very interesting. It's awful, but despite all of this, everything always comes down to money. No matter what happens, money's always involved in everything. It's just tragic. Anyway.
Coordinated attack left many Afghans wounded and killed. NBC News has from sources inside the Taliban that as many as 13 people are dead.
I want to address that as well. I want to address what Martyn just said. Clus is in the gang, is here. Thank you ever so much, Clus. We're up to 12 now. We're doing really well. Alicia's here. Oh, we're doing really good now. Look, we're starting to build up. No comment on Afghanistan. I am too upset, and the present leadership of the US. Yeah, it is hard. My main point here is every country of the world, every major army of the world, America, Britain, everyone other than America does not want to stay and take on the Taliban. America, we can't do it without America. America decided to leave, so everybody else has to. I think it's awful. I can't believe that the Taliban have pushed out every army of the world combined. As we all know, though, it would be very, very difficult for an army or all the armies together to take on a situation like it is right now. I know, but it just seems we've lived in history where countries would never give in and never give up. Right now, America has given up against the Taliban. The Taliban have said get out, and they've said, okay, we're going. I know it's dangerous, but surely if we all stuck together, yes, it's dangerous, but shouldn't we be there? Shouldn't we be there? Well, I know we've rescued tens of thousands of people, but blimey. Anyway, let's get back to the news.
And 60 are wounded, and now the Pentagon confirms U.S. service members among the group killed. The president had promised that any attacks on American forces would be met with swift retaliation. We haven't yet heard officially from the Pentagon on camera. We're expecting a briefing at some point. The president is said to be in the Oval Office getting briefings from his national security team and members of his cabinet. The entire situation in Afghanistan is now in flux. Updates as we get them from the CNBC newsroom. The exchange continues now. Kelly, back to you.
There we go. There's the breaking news. I just thought I'd bring that with you to you. Clusters just made a very good point. Should have left a select few behind to keep the peace. NATO could have dealt with it. We've been in South Korea since the 1950s. That's a very, very good point. America's been in South Korea since the 1950s, but for some reason, we've had enough and don't want to be involved anymore with Afghanistan. And I'm lost for words. And even though we're here today doing our thing with the day trader, I've been in tears about it today. It's awful that we live in a world where this can be going on. But let's not get off track. We need to keep focused. It's what it's all about. We can't just dwell on one thing, as awful as I hate saying that. Right, we're up to 13 likes now. Give us a like. We could be on a record today because we got most of the regulars into the show, which is great. Hi everybody, guys, here on chat. There, Patricia and Alicia are here. Wonderful. Is the market down as a result? Well, let's have a look. The market is down today. The markets all around the world are down today. Yes, they are. And China has just done a deal for the lithium in Afghanistan. And Afghanistan is the biggest creator of lithium. So I've been informed today from Kenneth Brunk, our technical analyst. I want to say hello to Lampros, hey, over there on TikTok. Welcome. It's the very first time here on TikTok. Tap the screen, and it really helps the channel just by giving some love. Just tap the screen like that there. And if you want to see the full experience and you want to see my trading screens, if you go into the profile, then you will see the trading screens. You can't see that on TikTok. I'm just on my phone, but either side of my phone are the trading screens. Okay, on YouTube. All right, we got 14 likes. Wow, I want to thank ever so much everybody. What a great crowd we have now over here on YouTube, and we got a great crowd over there on TikTok too. TS, hello there. How are you today? Where are you from? The people on TikTok, tell me where you're from. Love to get to know you. What we do here every morning is share our live trades. Oh, Dras is here. There is such a thing called tactical retreat. This was the complete opposite of that. Dras, thank you very much for sharing that, and thank you for seeing our point of view there. He sees the same thing. It's I don't know. I'm lost for words, but we don't want to focus on it anymore. We've covered it, I think. So Carnival down today, 2.5%, of course. And what we did here was sell out this morning. I made $460 profit. I sold out of Carnival, and I put that into other things. Improved my position on Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Coke. I bought a lot of these things today. I bought more VTI. I bought more Google. But all those things are down today. So I basically I bought the dips. I've improved my situation. Ford is awful. I want to get out of Ford. But as been expressed on this show before, John has said that we expect to see Ford reach 18, quite possibly. And then, of course, there's the possible chance of those dividends. But you made profit on CCL. I did. And remember, I made nearly $500 on Carnival, which basically gave me virtually a free share of Tesla. That's the way to look at it. And now I've moved my money into that. It's all about, I've learned this. As Martyn said this morning, you're becoming a more mature trader. And I really appreciate that. This is our 4th week tomorrow. 4 weeks tomorrow. We celebrate tomorrow our 4th week on the day trader. And it's been an amazing 4 weeks. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers now, and we've got a wonderful audience on TikTok, so it's great. Rolls-Royce is down today. I mean, don't expect to see any markets really doing much today. The whole world is down, to be quite honest with you. Not a lot going on. Today was a day to move positions. If you'd made some profit on something, take some profit, move into something that's dropped, and then grow a profit from there. I bought some Pfizer this morning. I bought 10 shares of Pfizer. It's not done anything for me today yet, but there we go. 47 now, a slight upturn on Bitcoin. Here it comes. See how it moves quickly. Look at that. Watch how Bitcoin moves. Remember, Bitcoin trades 24/7, 7 days a week, middle of the night. When it starts moving, it really moves quickly. Really quickly. You could see it all of a sudden move, and you'd see a jump. There you are, it's up to 47 now. We were only 40. Oh, there we go. We were 46 a few moments ago. It jumps very, very quickly, does Bitcoin. So there you go. Cluss says, don't get too mature, then all your funds would be in government bonds. No, I don't believe in government bonds. Don't. Oh, there we go. See, and you can go the other way as well. See it suddenly drop like that. No, my plan is the same. I've stuck to the plan since I was 16 years of age. I've told you this before. Left home at 17, worked, borrowed some money, built a business, paid off the initial investment. Spent the first few years clearing credit card debts, stuff like that. Paid off the car. Then I worked on the mortgage. The mortgage got paid off last year, beginning of this year. The mortgage got paid off. Then I started investing. Once I'd had 6 months of wages, 6 months of money to pay the bills. So I've got money to pay the bills for 6 months. Then I started to do this. Now my full-time income, even though it's only literally about $10 a week at the moment. $10 a week is I worked it out today. I am a full-time YouTuber, online producer, whatever. That's what I do. I don't do gigs anymore, very few, a few a year. My income comes from what I'm trying to build here with my day trading and my online shows. YouTube, TikTok, and so on. And I'm currently earning about $10 a week with my tips and all the bits and pieces, right? Because I'm right at the beginning. All right. So I've got my bills covered. I've got it all covered for 6 months. And that's what I'm earning right now, about $10 a week. And I'm hoping it's going to go up dramatically. Obviously, it need to, because the 6 months my money will be gone, right? So with doing these shows, YouTube ads, tips I get from you guys on my live shows. I got some tips yesterday from John and Bill and so on. That's how I'm living right now. Okay, about $10 a week. Patricia gave me $5 yesterday, a couple of days ago, on Buy Me a Coffee on Livestream Cafe, and all these things are on average about $10-15 a week. And that's what I'm doing here. That's why I do the shows, and that's how I'm building for the future. But YouTube can really grow quickly. Martyn Lucas channel makes very little because all my music is copyrighted. So now I've used my savings into day trading and trying to make money from this. And as you can see, I've grown this. So there you go. Full-time YouTube. Yeah, full-time. This is my full-time gig. Every morning I get up, do these shows, and so on. The Martyn Lucas channel started many years ago, but I only started working on it really 2 years ago. I've got 4,500 subscribers, but everything I do is copyrighted. Until I start producing original content, I make very little. I've earned a lot of money for Angelo Weber. I've earned a lot of money for Elton John because they get most of the money. But the tips you give me when you watch my live shows, that goes to me. That goes to me. Yesterday, Bill and John came in, and Martin Redding came in, gave me tips. That goes to me, and then I invest that here on the stock market. All right, you can do it. YouTube will be the biggest. Say hi and connect with your new viewers. Abgi05, hello, thank you much indeed for joining us. All right, let's get back to the breaking news here on the Day Trader. Let's go to our next one. Breaking news here. The Dow and Nasdaq fall ahead of Fed news. Let's have a quick look into this.
Why the rush to taper? And why are markets taking it in stride? David Zervos joins me this afternoon with more. He is Jefferies' chief market strategist. David, what's your read on this hawkish rhetoric?
Oh, I just want to say, guys, we are 15, our mean average, 15, 3 away from an all-time record on YouTube. 18 was the record. Can we touch it today? Oh, it's good.
Well, I don't think there was much surprising with Jim or with Esther. You had two, noted hawks or folks who have been, pushing a rather aggressive stance. I think the market was eagerly awaiting Rob Kaplan's comments, especially after what happened last Friday, because he's actually been probably one of the most hawkish and a steadfast hawk at that for quite some time. And he seemed to waver on Friday, and now he walked it back a little bit. So
I can't thank you enough. All the thanks the thumbs ups you give us, and all the taps of the screen on TikTok, and all the chat. The live chat is important. The more chats going on, the more YouTube see people engage, the more they share. And what I want to do is get more people in here who have a trading experience to share their experience with all of us. That's what we're all about. And I've learned so much from you, and hopefully you pick up something from me. And today I sold my shares in Carnival because of Martyn. I've learned a lot from Martyn and John, the way they buy and sell stuff. And Martyn mentioned about Carnival could be dropping lower, and I thought, right, that's what we're here for. We're here to buy and sell, not just buy, not just hold, but sell. And I sold, and I learned from Martyn, and we learn from each other. So all the live chat helps us grow and gets more people in. Thank you very much, Bill, for the little loves and diamonds you're donating to me there on TikTok. Thank you.
I think I think the market's probably a little bit confused by Rob, and maybe we'll get some more clarification as time goes on. But I imagine right now the sort of steadfast hawkishness that we had believed was part of the Kaplan world may not be so steadfast. And even if he walks it back, people are still going to feel that he's not 100% there just yet, given what happened last Friday. So I think that's where the market is. That's why it's not taking it so badly, because all three of these presidents, really nothing new was said. I mean,
let's have a look at the comments coming in here. Interesting move in my Honeywell, HON and Abbott, ABT at the end of today. Martin Redding's got some interest there in Abbott, Hon and Abbott. There we go. What's up, Alicia? Drass is having a conversation. Alicia and Patricia from Italy. All good things. Thank you very much indeed. I do some crypto mining. Clust, I tried some crypto mining using a service. I forget what it's called now. I missed your windows. Oh, Alexina, I don't know if you're watching me over there on Facebook. If you go into the live chat, I'll see. He just mentioned I missed the calls. Anyway, I do some crypto mining. I did some crypto mining. It didn't really. It made me a few cents a day, but my electric costs were greater. So yeah, I wasn't serious about it, but I had fun doing it, and I actually mined some coin, and I actually got paid a little, a few. I mean, literally, we're talking like 70 cents. But it was fun to say I've mined some Bitcoin. A note here from Martin Redding. Abbott shares moving on report CVS limiting purchase of COVID-19 tests as COVID-19 tests are sold at CVS. There we go. Let's read that again. Abbott shares moving on report CVS limiting purchase of COVID-19 tests as COVID-19 tests are sold at CVS. There we go. Carnival never forgive you, so no more cruise, Martin. Carnival don't know I've sold my shares. And the thing is, when I sell my shares, Patricia, it doesn't mean that Carnival have got no money. It just means when I sold them, somebody else bought them. Carnival don't sit there with my shares going, can someone buy my shares? When you sell shares, it's because somebody else is buying them. They don't just go into a pot and sit there. When you trade, that's exactly what you do. One person buys, one person sells. So it's just a game, really. The money just keeps moving around, and it's all about education and timing. Because somebody today purchased my shares when I decided to get rid of them, but they are in a different position. They maybe want to enter the market and want to get in. They haven't made any money, so they'll buy in, and then they have to wait for it to go up. That's how it works. And if we look at Carnival, we'll see right now. If somebody bought today, they bought my shares here, it's dropped a little bit, they'll have to wait. When I first bought Carnival, it dropped a little bit. It didn't instantly make money, it dropped a little bit, then it grew. And that's what happens. I don't see a donation link in the video description or the channel about page. No, Clust, the day trader channel isn't monetized yet. We're not monetized. There is no tip jar for me in the chat. There is on the Martyn Lucas channel. On the Martyn Lucas channel, when I sing in 55 minutes, In the live chat, there is, because everyone's has come in. Everyone in the chat here has made a donation for song requests or a birthday dedication or whatever, but not in here. This won't come until we get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Right now, we're at 25% of the watch hours. We're just over 1,000 watch hours now in the first 4 weeks. So you would say that we've got 3 more weeks to go, 3 more months to go, sorry. And we've got just about 1,000 subscribers now. We're very, very close. I'll show you. So that's how that works. We're at 857. So we're growing. So there you go. Keep on going, folks. All right, we're building our own TV channel. That's what we're doing. Yes, I can imagine. Martyn, thanks for explaining so well. I try my best. Clust and Martyn and Jonathan and Drass know more than I do. I've only been doing this for 4 months, but you know, I've had some success. 8.74 is my overall portfolio position right now. Today I'm down 1.5. Let's get the scores. Let's find out who wins today. Costa from Australia. I've seen you before. How are you, Costa? I believe you were here yesterday over on TikTok. You want to come and join us on YouTube? The link is in the profile, and then you'll see my trading screens. Make that 870 to 87,000. Make that 870 to 87,000. Well, we'll see. Yuan, hello, Yuan. Welcome to the party over there on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, Bill, for dropping a comment there. Let me bring that up on the screen. We always share positive news. Let's hope so, eh? By the way, song theme today, summer songs like the Beach Boys. It's hot here, LOL. Could not resist. The Beach Boys. I struggle to do the Beach Boys without when I used to work with a band. I don't tend to do that when I'm on my own. You need more people. I'll try and get the band in the studio, and then we'll try and do that for you, Martyn. But I'll do some summer songs for you today if you join us, most certainly. By the way, yesterday was such an exciting day. Did you see it yesterday? We had 2,400 people in my TikTok yesterday. 2,400 in my TikTok yesterday. I couldn't believe it. Talking about TikTok, this is what TikTok is seeing right now. There's my TikTokers. There they are right now. If everyone taps the screen, look, you'll see all the love pop up. There you go. There's the love. Look, there it is. Boom, 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 boom. Go on, Bill. Give us some love. Who else is over there? Give us some love on the screen and you'll see it pop up. There you go. That's what everyone is seeing today over there on TikTok. Great. Ever consider expanding to Twitch? Yes, when I sing my Martyn Lucas show, I'm on Twitch. I don't currently have a Twitch business account. I have a Twitch music account. Maybe I'll set one up. Don't get very much on it though, but there we go. We'll look for it. Thanks, April. April sisters. Ever considering expanding to Twitch? Beach Boys are in the Lions Club. Ah, there you go. I didn't know that. Clust, I send a tip. Buy me a coffee on musical platform Livestream Cafe. Oh, do you want the link for that? Do you want the Livestream Cafe link? Do you? Hang on, I'll give you that to you. Where's my Livestream? Do you want that, do you? I'll give that to you. You can tip me there as well. That's true. I'll give that to you right now. Let me bring that up a minute. Well, we're looking at my portfolio. Right, I'll go into Livestream Cafe and I'll give you my I'll give you the Martyn Lucas link. There we go. This is my lounge. This is my own platform. We created this ourselves. We built this ourselves. There you go. That's our own platform. We try to do our own platform, compete with YouTube and Facebook. It's called Livestream Cafe. There you go. I'm there as well. It's actually better for me. You can tip me there. It's very easy to tip me there. using all kinds of things like PayPal and buy me a coffee. But it's better for me, better for my views to watch me on YouTube. So it's whichever experience you prefer. Alicia and Patricia, they prefer watching me there. They like to join in with the games we have over there. Let's have a look. Affiliate marketing, Grammy sent me some likes. Thank you very much, affiliate marketing. If you want to promote, and if any one of my TikTokers want to promote themselves on my YouTube channel right now, you can put your links into my YouTube chat. I will share it with anyone. Well, we got 14 watching now. We've got some more come over from YouTube. Give me a thumbs up. We might get a record today. 3 away from the record. Subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get a record today in our YouTube account. That'd be great. Really exciting. Right. So we're coming up now to 10 past 3 Central, 10 past 4 Eastern time, and we will be doing the closing bell in a few minutes' time. Going to the after hours. Right, Amazon's already started to slow down. Oh, we're in the after hours. I apologize. I missed it by 15 minutes. There we go. We're in the after hours now. Let's have a look. I apologize. I completely missed the bell. That's because Kenneth Brunk isn't here. He'd be telling me off right now. Honeywell seems to be moving because of cybersecurity play. What does everyone think about it? Have I started... I have started looking for opportunities. Okay, Martin Redding is looking for opportunities. There we go. There is Bill's little link there. His YouTube channel. If anybody wants to subscribe to Bill's link, YouTube channel, you can. He's dropped his link in the chat. I've made him a temporary moderator, so he can do that. Right. Carnival is down in the after hours. Let's have a look. Amazon down in the after hours. Johnson & Johnson down. Everything is down today. So Tesla got a bit of a sale going on. We're now approaching $700. $700 now. Hello, Yuso Mon. Hello there over there on TikTok. Welcome. Thank you for all the followers and the likes today. And if anyone here on TikTok gives me, what do they call it? The Drama Queen coin, I will do them a duet on my Martyn Lucas singing channel. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. And if anyone gives me a Drama Queen, I will do a duet with them. Bill, same with you. If anyone on my music channel gives me a Drama Queen coin, all right, then we do a duet together, and that will blow up your TikTok channel, all right? That drone's over downtown Toronto. There we go. I did a drone video over Las Vegas, which was pretty cool. I've got a Mavic Pro, but at the time I was using a Phantom 4, and I flew it over downtown Las Vegas. That was great. Facebook, big drops today. Apple is also down. Look, Coca-Cola is down. So there's some buying opportunities here for everyone. If anyone is looking to get in the market, my buying power is pretty depleted. I've only got $200 left to spend, so I'll only really be spending it if I see something really. I mean, if suddenly Amazon went down to $1, I'd spend my $200. And I'd buy 200 shares of Amazon. Wouldn't that be cool? DJI Mini. Oh, nice. Yes. I got the Mavic Pro, and I used to have a Phantom 4. There we go. Wonderful stuff. Apple 10. Is that Apple 10? I believe that's right. Apple 10. Welcome to the Day Trader TikTok show. Google is down as well now, down a little bit more in the after hours. Virgin Galactic is going sideways. John Brunette is here. Welcome, John. Is that the first comment of the day? I think it is. Yes, the first comment. I didn't even know John was here. Bill, check out my new FPV drone stuff coming out on YouTube lately. There we go. Jonathan Brunette has got a channel. John, post your YouTube link in the description, in the chat. I will share it. There it is. All my moderators get the opportunity to promote themselves. How do you become a moderator? You just be loyal to my show, and after a time, you get the opportunity to become a moderator, and then you can drop links in, and I'm very happy to promote your YouTube channels. As mine grows, you'll grow, okay? So engage with mine, I'll engage with yours, and we'll all grow together and make lots of money. That's the idea. That's the idea. Dras, I still fly my DJI Spark. Oh, cool. Brilliant. Fantastic. Good stuff. All right, so where are we? Let's look at some more news. Ford trading sideways now. Rolls-Royce taking a bit of a drop now today. I'm up 16%. I'm not going to take profits on Rolls-Royce. That seems ridiculous. I'm not doing that. Harpoon Therapeutics trading sideways. Advaxis, let's have a look. It's up, but it's just down slightly in the after hours. You can't even measure it. It's so small. Pfizer, we're not looking at... We need to look at Robinhood. I know a lot of us here have an interest in Robinhood as well. Isabel Babin, I think that is. Isabel, over there on TikTok. How are you? Welcome to my TikTok show. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for joining us. If you want to see the trading screen, just go to my YouTube channel, which the profile will show that. It's, I just got a tip from Partisan Movement. Who's Partisan Movement? Who is Partisan Movement? Someone just gave me a $10 tip in Partisan Movement. Who was that? Someone just gave me a $10 tip for no reason. Cheers, mate. Is that Clust? Who just gave me a $10 tip? I mean, where did that come from? Did you create an account on Livestream Cafe? I mean, what happened there? Someone just gave me a $10 tip, and they're called Partisan Movement. Let's find out who that is. I have no idea who that is, but thank you very much. Someone tell. It must be one of you guys. It must be somebody watching me here now. It just can't be anyone else, right? Okay, let's give a thumbs up there for someone, whoever that is. If you're watching the YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and subscribe and ring the bell. Glad for you. Thank you very much indeed. Martin says, the free shares Robinhood markets have been giving customers for opening an account or referrals could cause legal risks for the broker. Martin is saying the free shares Robinhood markets has been given for customers opening for an account or referrals could cause legal risk for the broker. Really? That's interesting. Yes, you get small. You get the free shares Martin markets have been giving customers for opening an account or referrals could cause legal risk for the broker. Why would that be? I mean, everyone gives free. Every brokerage now, they all do it. They all give free stocks away. So I can't see that as being an issue because everyone gets free. Every brokerage now does it. Everyone does it. Doesn't matter who you are. Everyone does it. Is someone going to tell me who Partisan Movement is? Look, I'm going to show you my iPhone. Look. See here? Partisan Movement gave me $10. And I just thought, well, it's got to be someone. It's got to be someone in here, right? I don't know. It's bizarre. Someone tipped me for no reason. I don't know. Affle Team is there as well. Hello, Affle Team. Welcome over there on TikTok. It's Clus probably. John, you said look at my video on YouTube, so we assumed that you must have a YouTube channel. Clus, what? Clus, did you just go and create an account on Livestream Cafe and give me a $10 tip? Did you just do that? Or he might have gone below. I don't know. My links are everywhere. I don't know. Well, I do, but I have only some firework video. Well, there you go. We'll go and look at your firework videos. We'll look at your videos. Hey, if you get 1,000 subscribers, you'll earn some money on your YouTube videos. So, you know, share your videos. We'll all subscribe to it. Anyway, it's 3:20. We've got one more. Tomorrow, I'm sure, is going to be a dramatic day. Do you think tomorrow is going to be a big sell-off, or do you think it's going to be a real big up day? I will find out tomorrow. Carnival is down after hours. The market is down. Look, 50. I'm down 50 now. I'm down 1.55%. Yay! There's no videos. Make some videos, John. Make some videos. Funny. Amazon is flat right now. Johnson & Johnson is down. Facebook is moving slightly up in after hours. Look at the coffee note. It's got to be clust. It's got to be clust because he's saying, look at the coffee note. Right, I'm going to check my email. I've probably got an email from... it hasn't come through yet, but I've probably got an email from... buy me. Oh, here we go. There you go. Clust bought me 2 coffees. There you go. He's gone over to my... He's gone over to my... Well, Alicia and Patricia, I want to thank you for that. You've just earned me $10 because you said to Clust, go over to Livestream a cafe. So he went over and he obviously created an account over there, and he's going to join me. And he's going to join me later on. And he bought me a coffee. He bought me 2 coffees, $10. Look at that. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. All right, that's what happened. Martin, Bill. He just subscribed to John or Martin's John's YouTube channel. There you go, John. Bill is your first YouTube subscriber. Now, if we get 1,000, see, this is why our YouTube channel is better than everybody else's. 16 likes. I'm telling you now, folks, we got 16 likes. We got more likes today than CNBC with 1 million subscribers have on this Alan Shepard Smith video. How about that? They got no likes. Look, none. 0. Boo. We, on the other hand, have 16 likes. And the people watching my show not only are liking my videos, they're getting subscribers to their own YouTube channels where they can earn money on YouTube. See how this works? If you give it all away, make it all for free, everybody wins. So we got what's this here? BC, he is terrible. Who is BC? We've got someone new to the show. Should I put his comment on the screen? Let's make him famous. Is he saying I am terrible? What's he saying? Someone just popped into the show and called WRXJD. BC, he is terrible. LOL. No idea. But I tell you what, if you subscribe and ring the bell, Smith is terrible. Who's Smith? Oh, Shepard Smith. There we go. WRXJD. Where are you from? You can't be called that. Where are you from? You like Subarus like me? This is brilliant. This is brilliant. Have you smashed the like button? I think he has because we got 16. Someone smashed the like button. We're on 16. So there you go. Who's WRXJD? That's a good name, isn't it? How do people come up with these names? John says you like Subarus like me. I like Teslas. In fact, come on. I like BMW Z3 3-litre sports. That's what I actually like. Anyway, let's do some more news. We've covered this news. Let's do something else. We've covered this news already. We've only got a few minutes left to go. So, markets continue to be volatile. Yes, they are. They're all over the place.
Points right now. It's well off the lows when it was down more than 100 this morning. So about 0.2% declines for all the major averages. Quick look at the 10-year yield as well.
Hang on a minute. John Brunette. WRX is a Subaru race car. Of course I do. There you go. We got a bit of knowledge in the house. We got a bit of knowledge. See, knowledge is power. Intelligence is everything. He knew what that guy's ID was by the fact he knows all about cars. How cool is that?
By the way, does show yield sliding towards the lows of the session off their morning highs. So we have these two risk classes kind of going in different directions. Let's bring in Michael Yoshikami to discuss this more. He's founder and CEO of Destination Wealth Management, and Dagus Wright is with us as well. He is CEO of Decatur Capital Management and a CNBC contributor. It's great to have you both here. Dagus, let me just start with you. Thoughts on the 10-year on markets today? I don't want
what do you make of all this news here? We'll listen in for a couple of minutes. I just ordered a BRZ. Bill, he's a Bentley man. Yes, Bentley, wonderful engines.
This price action to what's going on in Afghanistan. I mean, that's a majorly difficult global issue where we have to just wait and see how it will be resolved, what the Biden administration is likely to say. And I guess in the meantime, that leaves us looking to Jackson Hole and the events and the likelihood to hear from Powell in the morning.
Yes, Kelly, first of all, my prayers are with our servicemen and women and their families. What we're seeing is that with the overall market, we're seeing the bumpiness, and the market may have pulled back given the news of what happened in Afghanistan. And so, but if you notice, the market is actually up a little bit from the market lows.
There you go. To answer your question, has the market reacted negatively to what's happening in Afghanistan? And it does seem that way. I have to get back to work. See you later. I will listen in the cafe while I work. Thank you, Martyn. Keep clicking those likes and shares and God knows what else. Let's all grow here together. Let's all make money. Let's all grow our YouTube channels. We've got such a wonderful team here. Thank you very, very much indeed for all of you. We're coming up to the last couple of minutes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Martyn. See you later. See you tomorrow, hopefully, for the morning show. All right, Isabel. How's Isabel over there on TikTok? Right. Let's just catch the last couple of moments. Check email. Let me have a look at email. Let me have a look. What's in my email? Is this something from Bill? All right. Look at this. This is this. Bill's got a screenshot for me. There we go. Look, he's taking a screenshot. This is how he's watching me. Look, fantastic. There you go. I love it. Let's look at a quick look into this one here. Very, very quick. Final trades. Last few minutes.
All right, let's go to our final trades. Ladies first, Courtney.
My final trade is Uber. I own the name personally, and we cover the name at Loop Capital. Rob Sanderson on our team has a $70 price target on it. Recently took a look. We all know about the diversified platform and reopening and all that, but he recently took a look and sized up the market for their ad opportunity potential, and he has a number of around $7.5 billion conservatively. So pay attention to that, and Uber's where it is.
Mr. Instagram.
I don't know about you all, but I'm going to stick with MSGE, which I talked about earlier. I'm ready to go out with my friends, Delavo, Marquis, Tao, Highlight Room, Beauty and Essex. I mean, let's get out and about.
That is why the man's Insta is so good. Steve, go.
All in one night, huh, Rob?
All in one night,
I'm sticking with my short on Baba. I'm sticking my short on Baba. I'm legging into it. The stock goes lower.
John, quickie.
American Express bought it during the show.
There you go. Lot going on there. Final trades of the day. Okay, we'll see you all back if in the morning. 16 likes. Wow. Record is 18, and we nearly touched it today. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you ever so much, everyone. You've been wonderful. Who's the winner today? Who's the winner? I think it must be me today, down 1.54. Is anybody better than that? Is anybody better than down 1.54? I'll give you 15 seconds to tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to declare myself the winner. I'm down 1.54 on my main portfolio. Let's see if anyone beats me. I'll give you a couple of seconds to to do that. If we've got anybody new that's watching the show on the repeat and you want some free stock from Robinhood, don't forget I'm going to send Bill a link later on to get some free stock in Canada. There you go. That's for you. If you want to join the Facebook page and group, this is for you. I'm posting it right now into the chat. There it goes. Boom. There it is. Cool. Right. That's it. It looks like I'm the winner. I bet mine's better, but I can't tell. Yeah. Poor old John. He's got all sorts of issues with his brokerage at the minute. All sorts of little errors clicking in there, but hopefully he gets it fixed. All right. I've got to get ready. As you know, I'll be on the Martyn Lucas singing show on my other channel. And if you want to know about that, you just simply... Let's refresh the screen. Let's see if we've got more than 857 now during the show. We might have. We had a few new people come into the show. Let's have a look. Hello, where am I? Hang on. Let's... hang on a minute. I'm all over the place. Let me close that a minute. Oh, blimey. Let me open up. Let me try that again. I clicked, can we request the Tic Tac song? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I will do it for you. 858. I can't even remember what we were at the beginning of the show. Does anybody remember what we were at the beginning of the show? I have no idea. Anyway, there you go. So you scroll down to here. You see the Martyn Lucas show right there. And then you scroll down and you'll see upcoming live streams. And this is where I will be in a few minutes' time singing... It's tinging its way at the tube. It's tinging its way at the tube. All right. And I'll put it to music as well. I'll put it to music. So there we go. Right. That's the end of today's show. It's been a good day. My very first time that I've sold so much. I've never done anything more than a few $100. $9,000 I sold today in one hit, in 1 second. And that all happened because of the community that we have here. Martin Redding suggested it, and I sold it, and it was right. I made $458. I then moved that into other stocks, so I made money with those stocks instead. Those profits haven't been realized yet because everything's down. Most of those investments are down today, but I've improved my position, and I'll look to buy in again with the money I haven't got right now because I spent it all. And let's see if I can get back in the market with Carnival should the opportunity arise. But remember, the stock doesn't know you own it. If you've made a profit, don't worry about timing the market. You can't time the market as a retail investor. You don't have the information. You're not ahead of the game like the institutions are. Just get yourself out and take a profit and move on. And that's all you can do. All right, I'm going to get ready for the show. See you back in a minute. You've been absolutely wonderful. All my friends on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of all those people in Afghanistan. And take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.